Coming real close, I want to tell you a secret. This is the secret on how people like myself stay fit, strong, and lean all year round. You don't need to kill yourself in the gym for hours a day or overly restrict yourself. It really comes down to these 5 habits that we do on a regular basis that have us staying consistently healthy, and it feels normal and never miserable. So I'm gonna pull back the curtain and show you all the secrets that keep people like me fit, strong, and lean. Let's talk about it. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Coach Achidi, and I'm here to give you a simple education on how to get healthy and stay healthy. And if that interests you, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all my video uploads. Now, let's get into all the secret habits that keep people like myself lean, strong, and healthy all year round. The first way that we fit people stay fit all year round is we simply say, fuck motivation. I say that passionately because we consider motivation to be an unreliable, liar-ass friend. And those are the kind of people that only come around when conditions are perfect. But as soon as things are 1 degree below perfect, they are gone and we never hear from them again. That's the way we think of motivation. It's an unreliable feeling, a vibe, and if that's the way you want to set yourself up, you are setting yourself up to be constantly let down. Instead of trying to rely on motivation, we use a simple plan. We plan our workouts ahead of time and schedule them like an appointment, and we uphold the appointment. We don't try to make cooking healthy hard. We make it as simple as possible because we know that life is going to get busy, and those are the days where we rely on our easiest recipes that keep us eating healthy. And we also stock our kitchen and our cupboards with healthy snacks so that when we get bored and we just want to eat a little something, it's not going to be some BS foods. It's going to be healthy foods that we actually enjoy. We don't want to make it so we have to actively make decisions. We want to make it so that things are laid out by a structured plan, and all we got to do is follow that plan. So ditch motivation, give it the middle finger, and instead rely on a simple plan that you show up for day in and day out. That's all it takes. The second thing that we fit people do is we eat a lot, but strategically, because starvation never works, and I'm gonna suggest you never starve yourself. Instead, you gotta eat more intentionally, just like we fit people do. That means protein, fiber, and volume are the big 3 when it comes to setting up your meals. Protein gives us long-lasting energy, keeps us feeling satisfied for hours, and helps us build muscle. So every meal, every snack has a large amount of protein to it. And beyond just protein, we need fiber. That's your fruits, your vegetables, your whole grains, and even your beans. We make sure we either have a big ass salad on the side with some combination of those high fiber foods, or at the very bare minimum, half of our plate has some combination of fruits, vegetables, beans, or whole grains on it. What this does is it has us eating to feel satisfied rather than just eating whatever tastes good. And no, we're not eating perfectly because we are human. We're just eating more intentionally. And when we surround our meals with protein, fiber, and things that bring us high volume, it's a lot easier to eat healthy and still have some room to eat some fun things on the side. The next thing we fit people do is we never have to earn certain foods through exercise, nor do we have to burn off certain foods through exercise. This whole game of using exercise to either justify a food decision or to undo a food decision is the stupidest game, and we make sure to never play it. Exercise is meant to build our body, specifically build up more muscle. It's also supposed to enhance our mood and our mindset. And obviously it keeps us consistently active. It's not meant to punish us for a food choice, nor is it meant to validate making reckless food choices. That back and forth game does not work. Food is fuel for the body. Exercise is a means to building up the body, and putting guilt or some other negative emotion towards food and trying to counter it with exercise is a losing battle. We don't bother with it, and neither should you. The next thing we fit people do is we plan to enjoy the finer things in life. Rather than avoiding birthdays, vacations, dinners out, whatever, we just plan for them. That means if we know we're gonna go to a big birthday dinner later in the day, we're gonna eat a bit lighter earlier in the day. We'll still make sure we're getting our protein and our vegetables in, but potentially in a smaller amount so we have room to enjoy our dinner later on. And when it comes to that dinner, we're gonna plan ahead on what we're gonna eat and drink. That way we're not going into it blind and just hoping to make a good decision. No, we are intentional in our actions. And when we are intentional with it, we stay balanced, because nobody is going to hope their way to staying balanced and healthy. No one is going to accidentally be balanced and healthy. We have to stick to a plan, and we have to be intentional with it. This is how we fit people, stay fit, but also get to enjoy life, because eliminating the enjoyments of life is not a life any of us want to live. The last thing that we fit people do, and this is a skill we are masters at, is we bounce back as soon as we get off track. We understand vacations happen, a couple bad meals happen, a missed workout happens, life happens. And when life happens, we know we just need to get back on track the next day. We always have an opportunity to reset rather than quitting or spiraling. Because the missed opportunity, the missed workout, the one day you overeat is not the problem. The problem is when 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, 5, 6, and beyond, and you've been spiraling for weeks at a time. Rather than trying to avoid making any kind of mistakes or avoiding enjoying the indulgent junk food things of life, you just got to know to get back on track as soon as possible. This single move is the biggest thing that separates those of us that can maintain our fitness from those of you that spiral out of control. Here's the final takeaway that I want you to get from all of this. We fit people, we're not superhuman. We're just consistent. Instead of trying to force ourselves to fit into an extreme diet and workout routine, we make our lives one where being healthy and active are all components of it. This is stuff that you can absolutely do. In fact, this is what I teach inside of my Inner Circle online community. I coach all of my members on what it takes to create a healthy lifestyle for themselves that will get them healthy and losing weight and will keep them healthy. And right now, I'm taking new members, and the link to join up is down in the video description and also in my channel description. I appreciate you for sticking around to the end of the video. Put any questions you have down in the comments below. I respond to every one of them. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I put new videos out each and every week. In just a moment, you're going to see another one of the videos from my channel that will teach you more about what it takes to get healthy and stay healthy, and keeping it simple. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Peace!